Good morning, everyone. As we forward to watching my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Marijin Obineta from Masters of Education Management. In the research paper entitled Bachelor of Elementary Education, or BEd, Students' Readiness for Practice Teaching, Basis for Enhancement Training Plan by Eric H. Heratapi Maed. The author explored the level of preparedness among the Bachelor of Elementary Education or BEd students for practice teaching. This study reveals that while BEd students demonstrate a commendable level of readiness in lesson planning and teaching strategy, there are areas that require improvement. This critique aims to provide constructive feedback about the suitability and appropriateness of the statistical analysis employed by the authors. Statement of the problem, objectives, and research questions. This study ascertained the level of readiness of Bachelor of Elementary Education students for practice teaching. Specifically, it addressed to answer the following question. Number one, what is the level of Bachelor Elementary Education student readiness for practice teaching in terms of lesson planning, teaching strategy, classroom management? Second, what enhancement training plan can be designed to improve student readiness for practice teaching? This study aims to contribute to the development of readiness of BEd students for practice teaching. This study will employ a mixed methods approach, combining both qualitative and quantitative methods to achieve a comprehensive understanding of a research problem. The research utilized descriptive statistics like mean and standard deviation. They were chosen as a sampling method will be used to select a representative sample of 180 participants from the target population. The research utilized a self-made questionnaire with a 5-point Likert scale out of his wide reading and various references. Also, the research used survey questionnaire were made up of three statement categories with 10 indicators, where each focusing on the lesson planning, teaching strategy, and classroom management. Result and discussion. Tables show the level of readiness of students for practice teaching in terms of lesson planning. It can be seen from the table that determining what the learners needs to learn by the end of the lesson plan get a weighted of 4.28 described as a very high level of readiness. This suggests a strong understanding and awareness among the BEd students regarding the lesson objectives and outcomes they aim to achieve in their lesson, and followed by the developing lesson plans as a part of coursework or previous teaching experience, and searching and collecting various instructional resources and materials which got the same weighted mean of 4.13. This result indicates a high level of competence in creating structure and organized lesson plan, which may be attributed to their previous subject and other related teaching experiences. In addition, teachers are skilled and gathered diverse materials to enhance their instructional strategies, showcasing a proactive approach to resource acquisition. However, making smart objectives and creating a lesson plan that consider the diversity of the learners by using differentiated instructions got a lowest mean of 3.98 and 3.94 respectively. This also described as a high level of readiness, despite this means being slightly lower compared to the other indicators. This still suggests a generally positive readiness among the students in the critical areas of lesson planning. Further, it implies that these indicators may be indication where the BE Ed students feel they have a room for growth or improvement. As depicted in the table, the overall result got a mean of 4.7, treated as a high level of readiness, with a standard deviation of 0.73. This comprehensive view, encompassing various aspects of lesson planning, indicates a strong sense of readiness among the students as they move to the actual field of teaching and their practice teaching curves. The study highlighted the comprehensive teachers education program, which address various facets of lesson planning, contribute significantly to the development of student teachers' skills and confidence. Table 2 represents the level of readiness of BEd students for practice teaching in terms of teaching strategy. It can be gleaned from the table that using language or words that are appropriate for learners' age and proficiency level get the highest mean of 4.35. This implies that BEd students are highly confident in choosing a language to suit the age and proficiency level of their learners, showcasing an awareness of effective communication strategies in the classroom. The second indicator, incorporating active learning techniques such as hands-on activities and group discussion to engage my student effectively, obtain a weighted mean of 4.23, described as a very high readiness. This suggests that BEd students are ready to employ diverse and encouraging instructional methods and foster active participation and collaboration among the students. The third indicator is assessing the students' progress and understanding through different methods, which weighted mean of 4.17. Also, treated as a high level of readiness. It only implies that the BEd students feel well prepared to employ assessment methods and demonstrate a commitment to quality evaluation practices. On the other hand, manipulating and integrating technology when appropriate to enhance learning, as well as making differentiated instruction to accommodate different levels and providing opportunities for all the students to succeed, obtain the mean of 4.05 and 4.04, respectively. These two means are described as a high level of readiness, but are considered the lowest among the indicators. These findings infer that there are still areas of improvement and require enhancement training in terms of technology integration and differentiated instruction among BEd students. As shown in the table, the overall result obtained a weighted mean of 4.15, described as a high level with an overall standard deviation of 0.74. This signifies that the students' teachers are very ready and confident in employing a variety of instruction strategies to support effective and teaching learning. Table 3 shows the level of readiness in classroom management of EAD students. The first and second indicators establishing clear rules and regulation and preparation and consistently enforcing rules and regulation gain the weighted mean of 4.43 and 4.35. This indicates a very high level of readiness in classroom management and further suggests that the BEd students believe that they are highly equipped to create a structured and well-managed classroom. Looking at the bottom part of the table 3, addressing and managing classroom disruptions and behavioral issues, gain a mean of 4.14 and considering a range of consequences and intervention to address behavior issues, With a weighted mean of 4.12, they are still considered a high level of readiness in classroom management, though slightly lower compared to the other indicators. This simply means that the BEd are well prepared to handle disruptive behaviors and implement appropriate intervention. The overall result reflected in the table obtained a weighted mean of 4.26, described as a very high level of readiness in classroom management and with a standard deviation of 0.74. This means that BEd students are well prepared to effectively manage their classroom. The research used a Matrix 1 showed the enhancement training plan of Bachelor of Elementary Education student practice teaching. It was carefully designed to address the specific indicators identified as a needing improvement, focusing on the lesson planning, teaching strategy, and classroom management. This plan aims to enhance students' competencies based on the identified lowest indicator in each area, ensuring a total and effective preparation for successful practice teaching experiences. The objectives and activities outlined in enhancement training plan are carefully crafted to bridge the gap in this essential component of teaching. Conclusion and recommendation. There is a commendable level of readiness among BEd students to practice teaching and lesson planning, teaching strategy, and classroom management. This means that they are well equipped to design and structure effective learning experiences and create and maintain a positive learning environment. However, some indicators are slightly low compared to others. Therefore, an enhancement training plan was developed to improve BEd students' readiness across all areas. In light of findings and conclusions, the Philippines College Foundation School of Education encourages to continue intensifying its academic subjects, objectives, and learning activities, especially those subjects related to the lesson planning, teaching strategy, and classroom management. Further, it is highly recommended to implement the enhancement training plan designed for BEd students to enhance their readiness to practice teaching in all aspects. Question: if you were the researcher of the study, would you do the same? Why and why not? If I were the researcher of the study, I would take a similar approach but with some modification. The study focused on assessing the readiness of BEd students for practice teaching is crucial in identifying areas of improvement. However, I would consider a more comprehensive approach of data collection, incorporating multi-methods such as surveys, interviews, and observation. And this would provide a more nuanced understanding of the student's readiness and factors that influence it. Additionally, I would explore the specific elements that affect student readiness, such as their motivation, self-efficacy, and teaching skills. This would help identify targeted intervention to enhance their readiness. I would also consider involving stakeholders such as teachers, educators, school administrators, and practice teachers to gain a more comprehensive understanding of requirements for effective practice teaching. Overall, while the study provides valuable insights, I believe that more multifaceted approach would yield richer and more actionable data to inform teacher education program.